Okay guys, you're welcome back to this tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to get OPay ATM card for free. Yes, it's totally free. And let me show you how to get it. So what you need to do is go to your OPay account. Once you log into your OPay, now the next thing you need to do is you come to here, that is your card, click on your card and you scroll down, click on get now. Now the next thing you need to do is just go down here and click on confirm. This pay is just your insurance pay. You can see 800 naira. Very easy. Very. Just click on confirm and pay. And you can see once you click on this, you're going to OPay card activate. They're going to reduce your money here. You're going to just click on pay. Once you click on pay, they're going to send you your OPay card very easily. So OPay card activate is very easy. Once you click on it, then you'll be able to clear on. Let me show you how to do it now. Say, but I'm not going to because I have on my own card already. Once you click on it, you're just going to bring you the details on how to get it. Then everything will be filled there. So very easy. You can see it's just for a token of 800 naira. 800 naira is just for you to activate your card. So it's very simple and free. So guys, if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment.